Alright, what is up, Unplugged family? Today we gotta talk. I want to show you what came in. So, microfiber cloths, these are super important when you're washing your car. And having different colored ones help you distinguish the drying towel from the wet one and so forth. But this is what I really want to talk about. This is a mitt that I grabbed. Now, you guys saw me just do my brand new wrap and car reveal. I got my wheels powder coated white. Yeah. All right, family. So let's get straight into it. These white wheels. Matter of fact, let me get you on the side where we got a lot more light. These Jones is dirty. And literally, I just washed them about, what, 2 days ago? You know what I mean? White wheels get dirty, especially deep down in that well in there. So, wholeheartedly, I still feel like, as you guys can see from this shot, you know what I mean? The wheels don't look that bad, but when I get up on them and I look, I can see it. I mean, it's kind of in the middle. What I'm going to do is today, I'm going to use the mitt for the first time. I'm going to see how easy it is using the mitt to clean them, because I'm not even going to lie. Cleaning within these wheels is not the easiest. Let's wash the car. Boom. All right, let's see what this mitt is about. I ain't gonna cap, it's some work. Okay, the wheel is looking, wow, okay, this is fire. All right, so I decided to go ahead and give her a foam bath. And that gives me another opportunity to hit the wheels up. All I'm doing is soap and rinsing and then just gonna dry it. This is gonna be simple. Yeah, we want that, baby, beating up. Look at how that water just fall off. Yeah. Are they clean or no? Yeah, they clean, baby. It took a little work though, I ain't gonna cap. Look at that, yeah. Alright, so the next move is pull out that leaf blower. And literally, just like that, I'm done drying off the car. Ceramic coating for the W. I'm gonna put on the enhancer, spray something. Let's follow the pack. So smooth. IGL coating is like fire. And it's eco-friendly. Look at that PPF. Shine is just remarkable. Boom. You see it? She clean. All right, let's get up on the wheels. This is always the worst wheel to clean. And as you guys can see, this wheel is actually pretty damn clean considering it's usually the dirtiest. I didn't record it, but I have my wheel woolly that I got in there and actually got to the barrel. Look at these bugs. Joe Punk, I told you come hop up on the wheel. That shiny gloss black that I just love. Look at that. I'll say this, the rear wheels are easier because you have a smaller caliper and you know, it's easier to get into that. Well, I think it's also a smaller rotor, if I'm not mistaken. Most of the stopping power is in the front since this is a front bias all-wheel drive. But nevertheless, if I step back and I take a look at the finished product after it's nice and clean, do I regret doing my wheels white? Absolutely not. Life is what you make it. I feel like
like a maze. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay.